while you focus on developing your products. At Maswer, we optimize the validation process of your vehicles. You no longer have to worry about collecting, handling, and systematizing vast amounts of data and different types of files. Thanks to our experience in quality standards for the automotive sector, with Datadrive, data becomes our greatest competitive advantage. This digital tool, created and developed by Maswer, facilitates the collection and classification of data during the test drive phase, streamlining the processes of digitization, organization, and comprehensive analysis of the data in real time for timely decision-making. Additionally, it optimizes the quality of each model through the detection of recurring faults, transforming them into improvements. You can receive from us the data obtained during the complete validation of your vehicles to manage it according to your needs. Or benefit from the models supported by Power BI technology, designed by Maswer for processing millions of data points, with fully customizable tables and result graphs. With the information collected worldwide by our employees, resulting from 24/7 vehicle testing in urban, rural, and test track environments, we achieve the complete digitization of the driving tasks by drivers, who based on specific functional tests for each car, securely enter the data into our mobile devices, synchronizing the information with Datadrive in real time. This simplifies the management, maintenance, and analysis of the vehicles in a systematic and traceable way. The different dashboards of Datadrive facilitate information tracking, feeding the system for advanced data analysis and the cross-referencing of relevant information for each model. Enhance all your driving tests with Datadrive, the efficient and reliable tool that will revolutionize your data management.